So there they are. So if you haven't heard of the AirPods Pro, they're Apple's newest earbuds, and they are $250. They do have some pretty cool features. This is not sponsored in any way by Apple. So let's go ahead and just take these out here and try putting them in. Whoa. Drop test. They feel pretty good right off the bat, and I was trying them out earlier. Arguably the best feature about these earbuds is that they completely seal off your ear, and then they have two modes. They have 4 mics, 2 on the outside, 2 on the inside. So 1 on the outside and inside of each ear bud. And basically if you hold down the stem here, it transforms the mics into essentially hearing aids. So now that I held down the stem, it's in transparency mode, and I can have conversations with like Darren, for example. Hi, Darren.
Hey.
It works pretty good. You can even have music on a medium or low volume, and you can actually have conversations with people while the music's playing, which is pretty remarkable for an earbud that is also capable of completely isolating the sound of the music. So you just hold the stem again, and suddenly, like, the world fades away, and you're back into music land, which is pretty cool. The question for today's video is, if you were to accidentally leave these in your pocket when you go to wash your pants, would the AirPods Pro survive the whole experience? That's what we're gonna find out today. So we're gonna start off by putting them in the washer, and then we're gonna move them into the dryer. We're gonna run it through a full laundry cycle, and then we're gonna see if they're still working. I'll have a poll in the top right. Do you think the AirPods Pro will survive this whole experience? Let me know. Without further ado, it's gonna be freaking epic. Let's get started! All right, so we've got the AirPods Pro in the pants. We got the forgetful pant owner putting the pants in the dryer. We are gonna take the belt off though. What are you doing? Are you focusing on the lower region? What is this? We're not shooting pants.
I was focusing on your pants, dude.
What is this? No, just whole frame shot. Wow, dude, I was not expecting that.
Whole frame? You mean just
The pants are going in. Detergent going in. All right, that's good. All right, so we're gonna go for small, cold, extra rinse. Low is fine. And then we're gonna do just a regular load and activate. Just to show you that we're in here. There's the AirPods Pro. They're in the pocket. Pockets closed down. And it goes. Fast forward to the future. We're gonna take a peek in at the action now. Here we go. Dude, is the AirPods still even in the pants? They are not in that side, at least. They're not in this side either.
I've already been lost to the abyss.
Dude, how? Where did they go? Okay, so there they are. They got separated from the pants pocket. I'm not gonna open them, because that's not fair. All right, starting to back up again. We'll be back in a half hour and see what happens.
Okay. I didn't even tell. I couldn't tell. What the God damn it.
Comments filled with, are they gay? I can see them now.
Anyway, the AirPods.
All right, there they are in the corner. Let's go and check them out. Okay, let's open them up. Oh, I see some water droplets inside. Maybe it's mostly dry. I don't know, it's hard to tell. The light on the AirPods case still turns on. So that's a good sign for the case at least. All right, AirPods in the pocket. Pants in the dryer. Dryer on for 30 minutes. Go. Come back in 30. That does not sound normal. I think a normal person would realize that their AirPods are being shuffled around. Good on. We're finally ready to pull the AirPod Pros out of the dryer. But before we do that, we want to give a big shout out to our sponsor, Audible. I am a huge Audible fan. I've been a huge Audible fan for so many years that I've accumulated 75 audiobooks with the Audible service. That's insane. I've listened to almost every single one, and many of them more than once. I just love the flexibility that audiobooks provide. You can listen to them when you're working out, when you're doing yard work, on road trips. There's just any time that you're doing something that would be boring, you can just throw on an audiobook and be freaking entertained, or you can throw on an audiobook and learn so much. If you're looking for a great audiobook series to really sink your teeth into, I would highly recommend The Expanse. Now, Audible has all the books for the entire series. I have listened to every single one. It's fantastic. The narration's great. The storyline is super engaging, entertaining, and the story has a lot of depth to it, a lot of humanity, at the same time touching on issues that we are dealing with in our common day-to-day life. No spoilers, I can't get into too much, but just know it's a fantastic series and there's a huge fan base growing around The Expanse. This is going to be a huge, huge series in the years to come. Now, the way an Audible membership works is you sign up for a monthly membership and you get a credit for an audiobook each month. Now, these credits can accumulate, so if you forget to buy an audiobook, say next month, then the month after that, you'll have an extra audiobook credit to get 2 audiobooks. I really like this because when I come across an entire book series like The Expanse, I'll have a few extra credits laying around and I can just get the whole series in one go. Right now, you can get Audible for $6.95 a month for the first 3 months if you text Gizmo to 500-500 or visit audible.com/Gizmo. Also included in your membership is the Audible Originals, which you can pick 2 of each month. So technically, as long as you're constantly picking Audible Originals, you can have up to 3 audiobooks each month. Audible Originals are created from the very best storytellers from around the world, and they're exclusively available only on Audible. So what are you doing? If you want to get Audible for more than half off, head on over to audible.com/Gizmo or text Gizmo to 500-500 for that sweet, sweet discount. Now, without further ado, let's find out if these AirPods Pro survived the whole washing machine and dryer experience. Okay, here we go. Huh. Oh, God. So, here's the AirPods. Oh, it's so hot. They're really, really hot. Oh boy. Got some dog hair on them. What was that sound?
It squeaked.
It squeaked. Let's see if they pair. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Boom. Connecting to AirPods Pro.
That's a good sign.
That's a really good sign. Active. These are the warmest earbuds I've ever tried on.
It's like, is it like putting on hot socks out of the
Yes.
dryer?
It's like having hot socks in your ears. It's kind of awesome and weird. Okay, so let's see if we get any audio to play. They're both working still. That's amazing.
How's the sound quality?
Great. Sounds just as good as it did before the washer. Can you hear it?
Yep.
Yes. They're both working still. I can't believe it. I'm impressed. Apple, you've done it again. Very durable, very impressive. My mind right now is kind of blown actually right now.
They're still playing in there?
They're still playing. There we go. No, they're still playing. That's not a good sign. Oh, now they shut off. Yeah, they're off now. Okay, good. I was getting worried. So there you go. Apple AirPods Pro can survive being in a washer and a dryer for a full cycle. That's a giant freaking thumbs up from Gizmo Slip. Let me know in the comments down below whether you think AirPods Pro are worth the money. Really curious what your opinions are. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to go down there and hit that like button. And if you want to see more wacky durability tests, drop tests, and smartphone reviews, hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell. I will see you in the next one. Brendan out. Wow, wow. Sing.